You're safe and right between my cones. Oh.
Yes! Solid ground.
Callie! I'm so glad you're safe.
But the tub's still floating away.
Chase, use your tennis ball cannon to pop some balloons.
Ruff. Tennis ball cannon. Ruff, ruff.
It's working!
Ruff, ruff. Excuse me, everyone. Hold on. Watch out. Oh, no. Excuse me. Yes, Chase is on the case.
Thank you so much, Ryder.
And the Paw Patrol.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
I think we can finally begin the Adventure Bay Day Parade.
You're on, Sky.
This pant's got to fly! Great job, Sky! Wow! Oh, Ryder, a little help.
Zuma, hang on.
I'm trying. Whoa!
ATV on autopilot.
Phew. Thanks, Ryder. Good job.
You too, Zuma.
That was a really fantastic ride. I think all pups like to play, even dolphin pups.
Great job, pups. The little dolphin is safe and the family is back together again.
That's thank you in dolphin speak.
Well, in that case, whenever you're in trouble, just... for help. What are you looking for now?
Whales. A whole family is out here migrating south. I can't see anything yet, Wally.
Well, good luck, Captain Turbot. Happy whale watching.
Wet!
You're all good pups, and we'll save the day. And now it's time to play around Adventure Bay.
Next! Ha! Fantastic! Let's go!
Oh, no, no, no. The tummy, she cannot take the wiggling.
Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! Hooray, Horatio! Up, Anna! Wait! It's the slug! I got it!
I wonder how fast they'll get up to the surface. Not again. Hi, little whale. How about you play with me? Whee! Whoa! Ow! Whoa! Thanks, little big friend.
Who's up for some volleyball?
Ryder, thanks again for bringing us up from the briny bottom.
No problem. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Come see the fabulous photos I took of the rare giant slug of the sea.
What is that?
Oh, bluefish, that is my thumb. Ha! Don't worry, Francois. Mine came out okay.
Wow, great photo, Captain.
Who wants to play?
We do!
You're all good pups, and we saved the day.
I feel like a beached burrito.
And I'm Arthur. And I'm an otter. Oh, no. I mean, I'm Arthur. Behold, the princess's throne. 'Tis empty. Behold, the princess's throne needs iced tea. I mean, it's empty.
Is empty. Who will rescue the fair princess?
You can do it. Fear not, fair princess. Arthur and his brave pups of the round table will save thee.
Bravo, Marshall! Bravo!
Bravo!
Behold the bow!
Looks of delicious.
Whoever pulls it from the stone becomes king. Hark the princess!
Fear not, fair princess. You're free, fair princess.
Great job, Marshall. Great job, all of you. You're such good pups.
Heads up! All hail King Arthur! Hail King Arthur!
Yay! Carly's okay!
Marshall did it!
Back to bed, brave Sir Chase.
But,
Yes. All hooked up. Chase, let's get it to the beach before it sinks.
I'm on it.
Yay!
Amelia's in pretty rough shape. I don't think she'll be ready in time for an air show tomorrow. That would take a whole team of mechanics.
Team Ace reporting for duty. Let's get to it!
Aw, thanks, pups. But you've helped me so much already.
Whenever you need a paw, just yelp for help.
Nice!
Wow, she's as good as the first time we flew together. Thanks, team.
It was our pleasure.
I couldn't have done it without the Paw Patrol.
I can't wait for the air show tomorrow.
Sky, how would you like to see my walk and roll trick up close and personal?
Would I?
Look, it's Sky!
Wow, she's so good.
You're all good pups. Way to go, Sky! Way to go, Ace! There's room on the Paw Patroller.
You mean go with Jake? And all you pups? Woohoo! Are there bears around here? Sorry, that's just my hungry tummy. Got any more biscuits? 83 boxes of treats on the wall. 83 boxes of treats. Take one down, pass it. Thanks for the treats.
And thanks again for rescuing us, Ryder.
I couldn't have done it without my pups. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Which reminds me, Everest, I've got something for you. Everest, for saving Jake and showing great rescue skills, I'd like to make you an official member of the Paw Patrol.
Whoa! Paw Patrol rocks!
Hey!
I don't know what Let me get another marshmallow. Little help?
I've got this. Best rescue ever! Yes! I knew those pies rocked.
All right, everyone, let's hear it for Mr. Porter's 3-pie pile-up. It's time for the Paw Patrol Band!
Come on, Pups, we're on.
Hurry up, Rubble.
Well done, team. All set.
Let's see how that works now.
Whoa! Well, I needed a bath before the show.
Thanks, Paw Patrol. Now my crops will get the water they need.
Whenever you burst a pipe, just yelp for help.
Got to go.
Let's go to the talent show.
Good luck, pups.
It's okay, Marshall. You don't have to sing if you don't want to. But I don't want to let the Paw Patrol band down. Yay! Hooray! Yes!
I love to dig, I love to bark. Play in the mud, run around the park. Wag my tail, bury old bones, sleep at your feet when I get home. But if you need help,
Emergency!
you can call me, yeah, you can call me. You can call on me. Let me hear your pup howl. Everybody, yep,
Yip, yip.
put your paws up, let 'em up now. Let me hear your pup howl.
Mum's doing fine. A little more food and she'll be ready to go.
This little fawn is ready for a warm welcome.
And I've got just the thing. That should help warm you up.
Now that's where a little dear belongs.
Ah, I couldn't be more comfy with my cocoa and my, let's see, scrumptiously succulent squid jerky. There's plenty to share. Not even you, Wally? OK, more for me. That's some marvellous munchies.
I have a few non-squid snacks because you've all been good pups.
Time to get this family back to their forest home.
You're all good, pups. And we saved the day. And now it's time to play around Adventure Bay.
Well, look who's eating squid jerky now.
All ready, Chase?
Winch!
Great job, Everest. Here comes the train. Hurry, Rubble.
Rubble on the double.
It looks like it's working. Rubble, pull over. He should be able to stop now.
Rubble getting off the track on the double.
The brakes are holding. Woohoo! The train's stopping where Rubble cleared the track.
We did it!
Oh!
Thanks, Rubble.
No problem.
You got Adventure Bay moving again. What a bunch of good pups. The bay is frozen solid. Who wants to skate?
Let's hit the ice.
Oh, oh! I was born to slide. Yes! Woohoo!
Whoa! Watch out! Whoa! Whoa!
Nice catch, Zuma. I know what we need. You've heard of a water slide. Water cannon. Wow! Great ice slide. Wow!
What a bunch of good pups.
I won't. Come on, Chickaletta. Follow me. Hang on. We'll be right out.
Hooray! Chickaletta! You're safe. Excuse you, Chickaletta. The rescue must have fluttered your tummy. Yes, well. Wait for Mummy!
Ryder, the corn roast is ruined. All the roasting corn popped and filled the maze.
I've got it. Farmer Owl, what do you think of having a corn maze and a popcorn festival?
Oh, great idea.
OK, Rubble can use the shovel of his truck to collect all the popcorn piles and the rest of us will bag it.
Hey!
The popcorn's in bags and the maze is all cleared out again.
And the coals are all out. No more smoke.
Thanks, Pops. Thanks, Ryder.
You're welcome, Farmer Owl. Whenever your corn roast is popped, just yelp for help.
Can we finally dig into some popcorn? Dig in and eat it, I mean.
Of course you can. You're all such good pups.
Mmm. Yummy. Yay! Yeehaw! It's amazing how much corn kernels puff up when you make popcorn.
Excuse me.
It's amazing how much Rubble puffs up when he eats popcorn. Easy, Smiley. We're almost there. No, I said easy. Heel, sit, stay. Ryder, he's out on the wing. I'm afraid he's going to jump too soon.
Fly as low as you can, Sky. Chase, stay under the helicopter.
He jumped.
Nice work, Sky. Chase is on the case. Megaphone. Stay clear. Emergency. Very important frog coming through.
Smiley! I think flying a helicopter really tires out a frog.
The next jumper is Marshall's frog, Smiley.
Go, Smiley.
Come on, Smiley. You've got to jump. Wake up.
It's time.
Chase, megaphone.
Megaphone.
Jump!
Yeah!
Ooh, that was a good one. The winner is Smiley!
Smiley did it! Thanks, pups. Thanks, Ryder.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp or ribbit for help.
Smiley, you won! You can stop jumping now. Oh, no! Not again!
Follow that frog!
Isn't that cute, a driving frog? Wait, what?
food here. Let's speed up. Done! Great job! But we're not done yet. Every barn needs a weather vane.
The barn is back up.
Yeehaw!
And so are the decorations.
Well done, pups.
The Paw Patrol saved the wedding. Thank you so much.
I couldn't have done it without the pups.
So beautiful. But where's the other pair of lovebirds? Oh, there's the happy couple.
Emma and Corny are getting married too?
They're the perfect piggy pair.
Al and Yumi, Corny and Emma, I now declare you husband and wife and pig and pig. You may kiss the brides.
It's so beautiful. Aww. Are you all right, Chase?
I think I've got something in my eye.
You're all good.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time to play around adventure.
Hold on, Corny. Just because it's your wedding doesn't mean you get to eat the whole cake.
You don't eat the bouquet, Emma. You throw it. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
I got
it! Yes!
Paw Patrol.
She dropped the necklace. Now's our chance. Whoa!
Careful!
I'm fine. There. I think it worked.
We did it!
Now, let's get out of here.
Arf! Jackhammer! Shovel!
Ryder! Rubble cleared the boulder away from the door. See if it can slide open now.
It's too heavy. There must be some other way to open the door.
You did it!
Yep, with a little help from our mischievous little monkey.
Bye, Mandy!
See you!
Thanks for getting us out, Pops.
I knew all I'd have to do is yelp for help.
Hey, that's my phone. Not again. Mandy.
Hello? Ryder here.
Mandy!
I've got it! Told you I'd get it!
The lookout looks so much like his spaceship, he's trying to fly it home.
Beep, beep, bop, beep.
Sorry, my friend. It just won't work.
Beep, bop, bop, beep, bop.
Something else is bothering our poor little green friend. Aw, I think that's his mum.
And I'm sure he's really missing her.
Not for long. Rocky, how's it going? Are you close?
I'm close, all right. Look. He's fixed it.
Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp or beep, beep, beep for help. Come on. Yeah!
not as great as us flying in a spaceship. Woohoo!
All good pups. And we saved the day. And now it's time to play around Adventure Bay.
Greatest ride ever!
Paw Patrol.
Woof! X-ray screen! I can't see any broken bones. I think you just sprained it, Jake.
That's lucky.
Marshall can wrap your foot, Jake.
One bandage coming up.
Nice.
Can you stand on it?
I don't know. Ow! Definitely not.
Marshall?
Crutch!
There you go.
Ah! Thanks, Marshall.
No problem.
Okay, pups, let's help Jake out of this cave.
Follow me.
We did it!
Thanks, Paw Patrol. You really did save the day. Again.
Glad we could help. If you need anything while your ankle heals, just yelp for help.
I could use one thing.
What do you need?
A lift home?
No problem. Marshall's got that covered too.
Let's go, go, go.
Ah, good.
Paw Patrol.
Ah, nice and toasty. And my foot feels great too.
Rubble was so brave.
I was? I mean, of course I was.
He certainly was. Nothing can stop Super Rubble.
It was nothing. Huh? Spider! Thanks, Ryder.
No problem, Rubble. You're all a bunch of super pups.
Paw Patrol.
Oh, I hope this flies better than it fits.
Are you going to fly all the way up there?
I can do it. Oh, oh! Wings! This pup's got to fly! Woo, woo. Careful, Marshall! I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm flying! Oh. I did it! Whoa! Whoa!
Last night I dreamt that cats could talk.
Strange. Whoa.
What is that?
Whoa.
Huh?
Whoa.
That
Marshall?
Wearing my wings?
and the little itty bitty little kitty.
Wow! Wow! Nice! Whoa! Whoa! Catch, Katie! Run!
Got you!
Ryder?
Marshall! You did it!
Huh?
You saved the kitties! Even the kitty thanks you!
Well, whenever you're in trouble, just meow for help.
You really did look out for the lookout while we were gone. What a good pup.
You're all good pups, and we saved the day. And now it's time to play around Adventure Bay. Paw Patrol.
I've got it. Beavers talk to each other by smacking their tails.
Here goes nothing. We did it! 2 beavers on their way, Ryder.
Thanks, Chase!
Okay, little beavers, you're home.
job, pups. That's enough wood to make a beaver palace. Nice work, pups. Chompy should be really happy in his new home.
I think they like it.
Beats chewing on an old barn. Next time, don't go around chomping things. Just yelp
Or slap your tails.
for help.
The beaver dam has a water slide.
Can we try it, Ryder?
Go for it. You've all been such good pups.
Come on, Rocky. Don't worry.
No thanks. I'm just going to sit in the sun. Huh? Whoa! Oh, Chompy!
Paw Patrol.
That's it! My squid jerky! I was saving this squid jerky for Wally's stocking filler. Ghastly. Those pesky pilfering penguins won't be able to resist my scrumptious squid.
That stuff stinks.
Yes, it does. Maybe just a little nibble.
Oh! OK, Zuma. Can you take this over to the iceberg?
Of course! Life boy!
Boo! P.U.
Dinner time, little penguin!
Oh, they're so happy on that iceberg.
It won't stay icy. They need to get back to colder water ASAP.
I've got it. Captain, let's check your lighthouse log for any ships headed south.
Great idea, Ryder. Fantastic! A frozen fish-carrying frigate is headed for the farthest tip of South America.
Time to move an iceberg.
They're so cute!
I want to slide like a penguin.
Just hop up and ride on your belly.
Whee!
Me too, me too, me too!
Say cheese!
We need you. Otherwise, we don't have enough players.
Ryder, you know, I'm a bit clumsy with the ball. But we want you to play, Marshall.
Yes, it doesn't matter how good you are. You're part of the team. No game is too big. No pup is too small.
Marshall, 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 Marshall.
Okay, I'll try. I've got it.
You'll get it next time, Marshall.
Oh, devil drat! Go, boomers!
Marshall!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look! I made a basket with myself.
Great move, Marshall.
You won the game!
Yeah! What an effort! What a game!
Lost to a pack of pups.
What a team!
If you ever need some more stars, just yelp for help. You've all been very good pups and players.
Yeah.